in this tutorial we shall look at how to increase your bandwidth on your laptop or computer for easy and quicker and speedy accessibility of Wi-Fi. So in this case, I will teach you how to increase the bandwidth on your laptop in case you are a student, in case you are the one who always visit internet cafe to buy airtime or airspace. I will teach you how to increase your bandwidth using laptop, so that whenever you visit any of this Wi-Fi area, or as a student you want your computer to access the Wi-Fi with a high speed, or to increase the internet signal, this is why I am here. So I'll take you through step by step. So stay with me till the end of this video. Thank you very much. So first of all, what we do is just click the Windows button. So when you click the Windows button, then you type here, editor group policy. So you see editor group, it's edit group policy. So you see it's post files here, edit group policy, then you enter. Good. Now this is your local group policy editor. This is where you change how your network and other programming activities of your laptops. This is where you edit it. So let's come to it. Since we are here purposely for bandwidth increment, or how to help your laptop to access Wi-Fi at a higher speed. So let's go to so you look at here, you see administrative template. So you click here on the arrow, not on the folder, on the arrow, that is optional arrow, not on the folder. Then you come to network, not on the folder but also the optional. Now you come here, you see QoS package, that is QoS packet scheduler. So in this case, you're not going to click on this arrow, this optional arrow, or subdivisional to get a folders, and then you click on the folder itself. Okay, so double tap it, and when you double click it, now you see on this face you see all these things, but here we're looking at limit reservable bandwidth. So you come to limit reservable bandwidth. So when you come here, you double click it, now it will come. Now you can see the default bandwidth setup. Here is not configured, but you're going to configure it. Okay, you're going to configure everything to suit your quest. So you come here, look at enable. So click enable. Now you've enabled, you see 80%. So meaning that my laptop, the totality of the internet and especially the Wi-Fi, it is 80% that has always been reserved, meaning I only use 20% of internet accessibility speed. So in this case, let's assume I want to use 80 speed rather. So if I want to use 80 accessibility speed rather, then I need to reduce it to 20. So meaning that I'm only reserving 20 rather and using 80. If I want to reserve 10, then I use 10. Then I input 10, then I reserve 90. So let's say you want to access a Wi-Fi at a higher speed, you can come here, then you do this editing. But then you should always know that when you do this setup for any Wi-Fi plant or mast, and you forget using your normal data, also using your normal data on the computer, it will equally affect that as well. So if you are type that no, that always feel bad when your laptop or your computer consume much of your data, then this setup you must be very careful. Whenever you want to switch to mobile data, you reset, edit this setup. Thank you very much. So let's look at how we do it. So let's say we want to reserve just 10. So meaning we're going as high as 90% of internet speed. So here what you do is to say okay. So you're gonna click apply. Let me see, apply. So after apply, then okay, go. So after here what you do is that is all. What you do is that you now have to restart. You have to restart. You now have to restart the machine. If you don't restart, it's not gonna work. Sorry. So you see here, so you're gonna restart, and after you restarted the machine, your new setup is gonna pick up, it's gonna work. Thank you very much for being with us. Make sure you leave your comments below, whatever challenges you have in applying what I just taught you. Please, you leave your comments behind, and so that you look at what remedy we can render to that. Thank you very much. Don't forget, like our videos, share, comment on them, and subscribe to our channel. We have more of this type of tutorials in the pipeline coming. Thank you very much once again.